How to add cross-out in Adobe Acrobat. Alright, let's jump into how to add a cross-out effect in Adobe Acrobat. It's super handy for when you want to add a marked text as a deleted without actually removing it. First open up the document where you want to add a cross-out. Now what you have to do in order to add a cross-out is simply go to e-sign, which is over here. You can see it in the top left. Tap on it and that will open up a sidebar for you. And under the e-sign you can see an option for fill and sign, where you can see a certain icons. Among them, tap on this straight line over here, which will help us to add a cross-out. Now simply tap on it and go to the text where you want to add a cross-out. For example, I want to add a cross-out to this course objectives. What you have to do is simply select this and just have to extend it like this, and it will be straight as you want. And if you want to access it, you can do it from here. This one will make it smaller and this one will make it bigger. And if you want to change the color, you can see a toolbar over here. Simply tap on color over here and you can change the color. And after you have added the cross-out, don't forget to save your document once you are happy with all they did. And that's it. You have successfully added a cross-out to your text in Adobe Acrobat. So that's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.